Morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh's classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss a solution of Olympiad examinations. You will get a proper solution of the concept of the question and then some tricks for solving the questions. In this video series, we will discuss the solution of question paper of 2026 US National Chemistry Olympiad examination. So now question start. First we will read question properly and try to solve it. Nitrogen dioxide decomposes to nitric oxide and oxygen. In this question, decomposition reaction is going on and according to the following reaction, 2NO2 the gaseous condition decompose into the nitric oxide as well as the oxygen. All these are the gaseous condition. Okay. Now, if change in the concentration divided by delta, change in the temperature is, this ratio is given minus 0.0024 molars per second square. And what is the concentration of or change in the concentration of O2 by? They are asking about the rate of concentration with respect of the time. Okay. So now there are the four options given in this question A, B, C, D. So according to the question, we try to solve it. What is the concept? This question is from the reaction kinetics. Okay, rate of reaction. So now first we will write the given reaction, that is the decomposition of the nitrogen dioxide. It is a gaseous condition. The formation of a 2 mole of the nitrogen dioxide decompose into the 2 moles of the nitric oxide plus 1 mole of oxygen. Okay. Now, at the time of the calculation of the rate, we can calculate the rate of equation or rate of any chemical reaction with the help of the change in the concentration. And in this question, there are the one value is given, that is the ratio of change in concentration of the NO2 upon change in the time. That is the this concentration is change with respect to the time. We can plot a graph in between the time t and concentration, and this ratio is minus 0.0024. That means concentration will be decreases. Okay, minus sign indicate the concentration will be decreases. Now, and it is an exothermic reaction or endothermic reaction. It is an exothermic reaction. Now they are asking about the what is the change in the concentration of the oxygen with respect to the time. We will calculate this value. How to calculate this value? We can calculate this value with the help of the rate of reactions formula. The step number 1, the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction means change in the concentration with respect to the time, known as the rate. Okay, the rate of reaction. The rate of reaction is equal to R is equal to change in concentration of reactant and product both with respect to time. It is a rate of reaction. According to this is minus half concentration, change in concentration of the nitrogen dioxide divided by delta is equal to change in the concentration of the O2 divided by delta. Okay, this value is given in our question. So now in the second step, we will calculate the change in the concentration of the oxygen with the help of this given value. Write the formula and rearrange the following equation, that is the minus 1 by 2. What is the value of this concentration of change in the nitrogen dioxide present this value, we can write put the value in this formula minus 0.0024. Okay. Now after calculation of this value, we will get minus minus is cancelled 0.0012. Okay, minus minus cancel this 1.2. 0.0012, and what is the unit? Unit is the molar per second. Okay. So now this is our correct answer. The oxygen change in the concentration of the oxygen with time is 0.0012 molars per second. Okay. So now match the answer with the given option. In this given option, D option. D option is the correct answer. Clear? So we can calculate this question with the help of the rate of reaction formulas. Thank you.